Everybody, today we are going to learn about how you figure out who has access to your files or who you have shared your files with. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen, and we're going to take a look at OneDrive on your desktop as well as OneDrive online to kind of give you a feel for how you see who has access to your files and how to get them back, or at least cut off access if you need to. So again, I'm going to start by sharing my screen. And now you see what I see. I'm going to expand out my file explorer here. So by default, you always have a status inside of your file explorer. You'll see that I'm on my OneDrive over here. But anytime you see this status, if something has a little cloud on it, that means that it's completely in the cloud and that doesn't actually exist on my device. If it's on my device, there's a little green circle with a check mark in it. And then if it's something that I have shared out with other people, you're going to see a little person next to it. So for instance, on this timesheets folder, it can see that I have shared this out with somebody else. If I select that particular folder, right click on it and go to manage access. This is going to show me a little bit more information and or who I have given it access to. Now, in this case, it'll tell me that I've given direct access to the training user. These are the direct access links that I had. And the person that I had actually sent it to was myself. So this one isn't real exciting. So I'm going to click on a different one. In this case, document 3 here. I'm terrible at naming things, as you know. And we're going to go into manage access again. And this tells us again, I've given direct access via a link, probably via email, not to a specific person. But if I need to, I can stop sharing that at any given time. I'm going to click on stop sharing, and that's it. There's no more active link available for anybody to click on, get access to that particular document, whatever that case is. You'll also see the little person next to that icon is gone. All right, so that's OneDrive on our desktop. Now we're going to take a look at OneDrive on the um, web here. So inside of here, you'll see that there were 2 shared files, or actually a couple more inside of here that were shared. You can see that they're shared over here. It tells me that directly. So for instance, if I want to get rid of sharing on something, you can see by mousing over something, you get some additional information here. There's been 18 views of this particular document. Takes 8 minutes to read it. 2 viewers, 18 views apiece. Guest users viewed it a couple of times because I have shared it out with someone. Now, same type of thing, I can come over here to this 3-dot or ellipses menu for additional information. I'm going to go back to manage access just like I have before. In this case, it's the same thing. I can see that I shared it out with a link, and I can stop sharing this particular document at any given time. So all I need to do is click stop sharing, and that's it. Nobody else has access now to that document. And that's how you manage your access.